Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read for the first half of October. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. So Capricorn, you must be surprised at seeing these cards. Normally I always shuffle in front of you and lay them out. But I haven't put the tarot cards down yet, but I started your reading and I decided, I took out Lord Ganesha's message for you, and then I took out the angel blessing card for you. And then another card popped out from the tarot deck itself. And all these three cards were so amazing. And I was so happy until I suddenly realized my mic was not on, right? So I quickly put the mic on and I've re-begun this reading, leaving these three cards intact because they are so, so, so beautiful. So Lord Ganesha gives you the card of divine support, right? And then the angels top that with a miracle, right? I mean, look at the synchronicity here. You get a miracle when you have divine support, right? So, I was so happy to see these cards that I just didn't want to shut this down. And I said, let it be the way it is. I want this for my Capricorn. And then this card fell out as well from the tarot deck, which is the Judgment card. That means a brand new life opening up for you. Maybe something resurrecting from the past, maybe, or given a chance to have a new life. How amazing is that, Capricorn, for you? I'm really happy with these cards, and that's the reason I didn't shut this down. So now that I've done that, now we can start your tarot reading. So Capricorn, welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for all the love and support you give me and this channel. Very happy and very grateful for all your support. And if you're new here, I welcome you to the Omkara family. Oh my God. Guess what wanted to show face? Should we keep this as well? Capricorn, tell me fast. One, two, three. See what fell out. Ace of Cups is here as well. I mean, something magical is happening here, Capricorn, for you. So I haven't begun. Hold on, please. I still have to welcome my newcomers. So if you're new here, do join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly, monthly for love readings, money readings. And we would be happy to have you with us. So subscribe to the channel and join us. And yes, your money and monthly readings are up. In case you've missed them, I will leave a link at the end of the video. You can check those out as well. And my subscribers, make sure your notification bells are on, right? Because I post randomly. Whenever the urge is there for a certain sign, I just post it and you may just miss out. So make sure that little bell icon is clicked as well, apart from the subscribe button. Okay, oh my God. So why are you stressed? Capricorn, why are you stressed with all these beautiful cards showing up? Let's see. So, new newbies, let me explain this. I have side A and I have side B. You decide whether you are on side A or side B, and in the center have your mutual energies, okay? So, Capricorn, let's begin. First card is the Magician in reverse. Then we have the Four of Pentacles, King of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. For side B, I have the High Priestess, Strength, Six of Pentacles, the Emperor, Nine of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. All right. Somebody was a trickster here. Person A, now you decide which side you're on, okay? So person A feels either either person A was a trickster, or they feel they got tricked by somebody and now it's time to release that energy. Yeah, causing delays. And now I think somebody has decided to leave and move to a calmer place for themselves, or at least they're wishing for that now. It just takes me 2 minutes to kind of get the story correct. Let's see. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles. Why is the Four of Pentacles there? Okay. It seems to me, Capricorn, there was somebody who played a trick on somebody, trying to create a delay, and maybe they didn't want to be in a relationship or something, trying to create confusion. So the other person decided to leave the situation and move away to a calmer and happier space for themselves. I think the other person, person B, released them altogether and person A became, I think, a bit upset and angry. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Yes, the Queen of Wands is here as well. So somebody took action on their life and they said, I'm not going to deal with anyone who's going to play games. I have the King of Swords here, so this could be an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, who were trying to play games, illusions, trying to delay something maybe trying to delay a commitment. And now, because of that behavior, the feminine energy picked themselves up and said, I'm not dealing with it and I don't need you. I mean, I may want you, I don't need you, right? And what did this person do, Spirit? Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands? Yeah, they, I think, made a decision and turned away. This person B, I think, turned away from person A, saying, I am not willing to play your games because there is no justice here. There is absolutely no justice in the way you treat me, the way you behave, the way you, do this relationship, and I'm closing this chapter altogether. Now I think person A has become stressed out. They're feeling very burdened because things have come to a halt, and now they are very, very, very stressed out. Right? They were just playing a game for delay tactics, I think, trying to create this illusion, trying to create confusion, maybe trying to show that they had other options, but they, I think, played the wrong person here. This person was too strong. They said, okay, no justice, no me, I'm off. Now person A is stressed out, feeling very overburdened, knowing that things have really stagnated and they are now getting very, very emotional now and not clear as to what should they do next. Now they want to charge towards person A wants to charge towards person B now after this stagnation has taken place. So what's the stagnation, Spirit? What's this page of Pentacles? Person A is very, very deeply attracted to person B. Yeah. They know that they have been stalling this. They have been the cause of, the stagnation because maybe they didn't make a choice in the past. But now I think person A wants to bring back some balance into this relationship. Person A wants to bring back balance to this relationship. So what's this choice that they want to make, Spirit? What's this choice? They want to put a death to the way things were previously and bring in a transformation to this relationship now, Capricorn. Always happens. When you have a good thing, you neglect it. And when it's gone, then you get stressed and worried. And anyway, so let's see person B. Person B, first card is the High Priestess in reverse. So some secrets came out of this relationship or from this person, and person B made a decision, right? Person B got to know some secrets, they got to know some stuff, whatever person A's illusions were or whatever they were trying to do, all this came to light, and person B made a decision and they said, this relationship doesn't have equal give and take. There is no working together with this person. Oh my God. And, where is the balance? Maybe I'm the only one giving and this person doesn't want to give me anything back in return. So if this is the kind of behavior, then I am losing my grip on this relationship altogether. I don't feel strong. I mean, a relationship is supposed to make me feel strong, not weak. So person B, once they got to know about this, that the offer was there, but it was really tiny. There was a fish in that cup of that love. Person B decided to take back control of their own life. Yeah. Now the memories that are created between the two of you for person B are not the best, right? They're not looking at person B in a good light, but still thinking about them, right? They're still hoping, still I think thinking, still very wrapped up in whatever has happened with person A. So I think they've taken back control of their own life now. I probably either they are happy now because they've gotten control of their own life. What's this Three of Cups, Spirit? One more. One more. Yeah, person B has, I think, decided to go off on a journey for themselves, find happiness in their own life. They're turning their back on person A because this relationship was really, really stressing them out. Okay, they were feeling really stressed out. Maybe somewhere deep in their heart, they're also waiting, maybe if an apology comes, there is a possibility of a reunion. But right now, person B is totally guarding themselves. Yeah, because they are the ones who felt, abandoned, left out in the cold, always neglected, never been given the, attention, because person B was playing games with them. So person B is now picked themselves up and looking gorgeous, by the way. They are embodying the uh, Queen of Wands energy, which even this person was acknowledging. The Queen of Wands was here as well. They are now looking great. They are getting a lot of attention from other people. Maybe they're going out and meeting new people, keeping themselves guarded because right now they have zero trust, right? They don't trust anyone, especially not person A, and they are very angry and upset with what has happened. So what's this nine of Wands, Spirit, for person B? Nine of Wands. They have still very, very deep regrets and very sad about whatever this has happened with this air sign. I think on person A's side, they are wanting to release, all the sadness that they're feeling, what they felt, and I think now trying to keep themselves protected totally in this wall that they've, built for themselves, right? They are don't want to open up again to pain and suffering again. Yeah, maybe person A was juggling them, or maybe now person B is going back and forth in their mind as to, now not that person B has moved on, they are still kind of stuck, they're still kind of getting enlightened about what this relationship was all about, still trying to, find balance in their life, still trying to understand what this really was. But they're coming out as a Queen of Wands. What is that? Queen of Wands? Yeah, they're trying to find happiness in their own life now. Okay. After whatever has happened, person B is now, I think, the feminine energy here, who's trying to now find happiness and peace in their own life with new people, maybe. One more card, Spirit. Yeah, person B is now releasing this relationship with person A. So we have person A, who was a trickster, who played mind games. Person B left, now they're stressing out, now they want to bring back balance. Person B doesn't trust anymore, is now guarding themselves, doing a great job of their life, coming across strong, beautiful, getting a lot of attention, but not really trusting anyone, new or old. Let's see what's in your mutual energy. The Hierophant, Hermit, and the Four of Cups. So what's this Hierophant? This is Hierophant for the mutual energy, Spirit. Hierophant for Capricorn and their person. One more. Wow. So somebody is keeping a close watch on person B, right? I think now they want to offer all this. They're keeping a watch. I don't think the offer has been made yet, but they are keeping a close watch through social media or through friends, family, wanting to know if person B has moved on or not, because I think this is on their mind now. Commitment, Four of Wands, and happiness, right? All three gorgeous cards of commitment. But at the moment, Capricorn, I feel you both are in separation because you're both coming across as the Hermit. That's your mutual energy. So, Hermit spirit. What's this Hermit? This breakup has been a big tower moment, right, for both of you. I think there was a lot of love between the two of you, and now because of whatever happened here, whenever this news came of this fight happened or whatever happened, this was a huge tower moment for you, and it left both of you feeling actually quite unstable. So when the person they had a good thing, they didn't, value it, but now there is instability in their life, not feeling grounded. I think both of you are not feeling grounded at the moment, even though I think somebody here wants to take action now, but still feeling a bit insecure and a bit unstable because I think they see person A in a good space and even though I think both of you are not seeing anyone else, you're both in separate hermit zones of your own. So right now, the Four of Cups is there, which means there is still a bit of depression going on. Both not moving, both pondering, both sad, depressed, because somebody sneaked away. I think one person now wants to put in the effort, they want to have a conversation, but the other person is not interested at the moment. They're kind of guarding their energy, and that's why the Wheel of Fortune is still stuck at the moment. So Spirit, what can we expect? Yeah, nobody really messaging each other. I don't think person A has the guts right now because they've done something that sneaky that they're afraid, and person B, of course, should not, will not, and has not made an effort to get in touch. So Spirit, what can we expect? Wish fulfillment is coming, the star is coming, right? Whatever is happening is temporary from what I feel, only because of the oracles that I've got, which tell me that there is divine support for you, Capricorn. There are miracles coming. There is possibility of a rebirth and a happy new beginning here because there is a lot of love here. Right? Capricorn, now you decide if this person has been really, really bad and you don't want them back at all, then yes, these cards are still for you. You have divine support. You are going to get your miracles of love once again in your life. And your rebirth of your love life is coming, with or without them. Right? If you're missing them a lot, then that's a different thing and you can forgive them. If not, just know that new love is on its way. This card usually also kind of means new love, but I did get the Judgment card, which is a rebirth. So you are open to both. Love is guaranteed in your life, Capricorn, one way or the other, because the universe is with you. You have divine support of Lord Ganesha now, right? And miracles coming from all your angels. So that's a beautiful reading. So if you're the one here, Capricorn, worrying and stressing, which I don't think you are, I think it's this person here. This card came out on their end. Don't be, because you are going to have so much forward movement now in your love life that you'll probably be surprised. Till next this Thursday now for your love bite, Capricorn. Take care, love and light. Namaste.